Washington. Today it was beautiful, 72 degrees. 72 degrees? O 72? It's too high. Maybe here in Madrid, 72 there is, here in Madrid is only 30. I don't know. 6, 7, 67. Bueno, adiós, me tengo que... Bali de como 22, 22 degrees Celsius. No está. It's not too high. It's not too hot. Here in Madrid is 30 degrees is too high. $22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here in Spain, 30 degrees Celsius. I don't know how to use Fahrenheit, but degrees Celsius, see. Hi, Floren. Hi, Franklin.